lying quiet? You want to play with your friend? Who's that? He's like fairly indifferent to this whole situation. Hey now.
Eat your food! All of it!
Aww.
Yeah, I basically feed him Nutriberries now.
Oh, they... Hey, Toots, it's okay. He just wants to feed you. Because you can't feed yourself. Apparently.
Oh, okay.
That was adorable. And he accepted it. He was like, okay. He's definitely asserting dominance.
A little bit, yeah.
Oh, there we go. We're getting the preens. This is like the most interesting day of their lives. He just walks right in front of Toots and he does nothing. He's like, I don't know. Hits him in the face with his tail. Like, it's fine.
Taking photo.
Bird! Oh, you're helping him out. Oh. Oh, Loki, you're so sweet.
Nope.
Never mind.
No.
I'm what? Oh, de love. Oh. Oh my god. Toots is like, oh, that actually feels really good. If I just let you do it. Rather than fighting you. Who's this guy? He gives me smoothies. He cleans me up.
He's just sugar daddy, clearly.
He just comes out of nowhere, like does all this stuff for me. Oh, you guys are so sweet. Oh, babies. Oh, little babies. Toots is like, wait, why'd you stop? Cute. I feel like we're at the zoo.
Well, we are.
Pretty much. Oh. Meanwhile, Toots is like, even if he bites his eye, he's like, oh, that feels so good. Yeah, he's getting all the little spots with his delicate beak that I can't get with my fingers.
Yeah.
So this is really good. The dust coming out of his head. I love how he rotates his head too, like, yeah, right there, yeah, right